Hello viewers, welcome back to Gauri Ram's kitchen. Today we are going to see two dishes. One is we are going to use common ingredient, that is bitter gourd. One I am going to make crispy fry and another one I am going to make chips. I have washed them. See, for crispy fry I have cut this into pieces like this, small pieces. For chips I have cut it into round shape like this. I have taken thin slices like this. You have to wash them, and then first you have to add turmeric powder, and then some salt. This I am adding to lessen the bitter taste. Just soak it for 20 minutes. Let this marinate for 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is enough. It will lessen the bitter taste. Now it's been 20 minutes. Let's watch this.
Now for making bitter gourd chips, we are going to add the following ingredients. Put 1½ teaspoon of gram flour, after this put 1 teaspoon of rice flour, now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. After this, put half teaspoon of chili powder. Now add required amount of salt. Now mix it well. All the ingredients should be coated well on bitter gourd. Now see, all the ingredients are coated well on bitter gourd. We have to deep fry this.
Now we are going to make the two dishes simultaneously. I have kept two pans here. In one pan I have added 2 tablespoons of oil, and in another one, to fry the chips, I have added a little amount of oil. Now first we'll add for crispy bitter gourd. I have washed the bitter gourd like this, and I am going to directly add this to the oil. Keep it in medium flame and fry this for 5 minutes.
Now the oil and pan has got heated well. Now let's add the bitter gourd chips. Let's keep this for 2 minutes. After that we'll turn them. Now turn it. Add little salt to this bitter gourd. You no need to add chili powder right now, because the chili powder will give you a spicy smell and it will cause coughing. So don't add chili powder now. Let's add it at the last. Now see how crispy it looks. Our chips is ready now. Now you can see how well the bitter gourd has been fried. Now if you do like this, the bitterness will not be shown. After this, put 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Let's mix it up. We have already added salt, so no need to add now. See, meanwhile we are deep frying the remaining bitter gourd chips. very easy to make, and kids will love this if you do like this. It's very easy snack too. Now our both bitter gourd dishes is over. Wait, I'll do the plating and show you. Let's fry this curry leaves for garnishing.
Now our crispy bitter gourd fry is ready, and also our bitter gourd chips is also ready. Kids will love this recipe if you prepare like this, because the bitterness of bitter gourd is lessened in both these recipes. You can prepare this at home very easily, that too with less ingredients. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe our channel, and also place your valuable comments below. Thank you.